Because if you have a leak, it will easily spread out and hopefully dissipate. Randy, can you blow out that candle behind you, please? I will wait for you, don't worry. Okay. So what will happen is, as this ignites, it'll lift up into the air. This is different than propane, which would do the opposite. So, here we go.
That's what happened to the ceiling.
No, it is.
Well, the one thing is that the fire alarms are not necessarily looking for fire as much as they're looking for smoke. And so that's part of it. We're not really producing a lot of smoke here. So that's part of it. The second question is usually like, why aren't you burning the ceiling? Well, first of all, this burns up too quickly. The ceiling tiles themselves are not easily flammable. And secondly, when you ask about like, oh, did I burn the ceiling? It's really not the burn. It's really not that the ceiling is burned. What it really is that the tiles are becoming covered with the soap residue. So the soap actually burns in air and then covers the tiles. And you can see like right here, you can actually kind of rub some of it off. And so it's not necessarily that it's burned, it's just coated in a burned residue.
I got the fire flame.
Can you feel it over there?
Yes. I like it.
We learned this a few years ago that you can do this. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sad.
We'll get. Don't worry.
Whoa. Double bubble.
I did. You missed it.
Oh, right up there.
Oh!
Oh, man down.
So that just almost fell on me.
Well,
Yeah, make a big.
well, the problem is that there's actually a limit to how big it can get, because what will happen is the bubbles on the top will start losing, their integrity, and they'll start popping, and so it won't get as, like you can't just make it infinitely big, which would be awesome, but no, you couldn't.
Fill up the room.
Or that'd be like the coolest word weapon ever.
No, I can't because there's
Bubbles.
I got killed by bubbles.
I think it would burn too quick to kill you.
There it's called.
Whoa.
Ah!
Whoa.
Has it ever gone all the way to the projector and you had to like go like that or something?
No, when we first had the projectors and we did this, we covered them up with like a box, but they don't go that far, and they burn up pretty quickly, as you noticed. Once the fuel is gone, they're pretty much done.
Jelly!
Now, if this was like a pile of leaves or something, that'd be different, but the ceiling tiles aren't like easily
All
flammable.
at the same time.
Wow.
Oh my
Now,
god.
the disposal's the best part. Have a good day.
Excellent. Wow, that was boring.